Adding Skrill as a payment method to your Shopify store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to have a Shopify account and a Skrill merchant account. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Then click on Payment Providers. In the Payment Providers section, click on Add Payment Method and select Skrill from the list of available payment gateways. Next, you will be redirected to the Skrill website where you need to log in to your Skrill merchant account. If you do not have a Skrill merchant account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. After logging in to your Skrill account, you will be asked to authorize Shopify to connect to your Skrill account. Click on the Authorize button to grant permission. You will then be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify admin panel, you will see the Skrill payment method listed under the Payment Providers section. Click on the Edit button next to Skrill to configure the payment method settings. Here, you can set the payment method name, description, and other settings as per your requirements. Finally, click on the Save button to save the changes. Skrill is now added as a payment method to your Shopify store and your customers can use it to make payments. It is recommended to test the payment method to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily add Skrill as a payment method to your Shopify store and provide your customers with more payment options. This can help increase customer satisfaction and conversion rates, ultimately leading to increased sales and revenue for your business.